Yeah, boy, this is BCBaits in the house, bitch.
That's what I got. BCBaits.com, baby.
That's a big fish. That's pretty sick.
BCBaits, baby. BCBaits. Double digits. Guarantee that shit. Double fucking digit. I got that bass. Holy shit.
What's up, YouTube?
BCBaits.com. You even catch little ones. BCBaits, baby.
Yeah, dude, that's good.
Morning, bass tubers. Jeff here at BCBaits. Today I'm out at Lake Murray and just out for some fun fishing. So let's see if we can get some fish. I know I'm doing a product review video, but that bass looked pretty good. Let's see if I can get a quick bed fish. Camera. Got the trusty drop shot with the white Cinco. There's another bed, but I can see a fish right away. This guy's probably been caught 100 times. It's in a spot that's so easy to see, so he's probably gun shy, but I can tell he's gonna go. Let's get you guys a good look at him. That was my Cinco. No net today. Kind of bonehead move, forgot that one. Away he goes. Probably a keeper. It's about 12 inches. Feisty. Alright, bass tubers, I'm going to call it there. It's about 11:30. I got 4 fish. I was trying to get a limit, but I'm getting hungry on my head out a little early. And be back out. Next video will be filmed here at Lake Murray again, but I'll be throwing a swim bait all day, so it might be a pretty short video. So remember to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, leave a comment below, let me know where to improve if you didn't, and tight lines.
Bye.
No,
Thumbs up.